If you're tired of feeling stressed about money or you just want to get your finances right, then you're in the right place. Hi everyone. Today I'll be breaking down 5 personal tips that everyone should know about money. It's simple, it's practical, it's very easy to practice, and it will be a game changer in your finances. So let's get right into the video. Tip 1 is to spend less than you earn. I mean, it sounds obvious, right? But a lot of people in practicality actually do not do this. So the easiest way to even know if you're spending more than you earn is to budget. So if you have a budget and you track your expenses and you track your income, then you'd actually know if you are negative. So I would recommend you get a budget. It could be as simple as just a simple Excel sheet, your notepad, or you could even use apps like your banking app to just track all your expenses and your income and know where there are issues. Like find out what categories of your budget are you spending more than you should be, and reset your budget to the fact that you can save, no matter how small it is. Tip 2 is to build an emergency fund. So basically, an emergency fund is just to get like your living expenses for 3 to 6 months. This is like a lifesaver because life could happen and you may need to fall back to that. So you don't want it that if any situation happens, like maybe your car breaks down or out of a job or any situation basically that is unexpected happens, you don't have any cushion. So basically that's what the emergency fund is for, to just cushion any life emergencies. Have like 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in a high yield savings account and just leave it there, and whenever it is needed then you can go back to it. Tip 3 is to avoid high interest debts, especially credit cards and payday loans. Like this can really trap you so fast, and then you begin to keep making repayments. Just avoid them if possible. But if you have like these loans, then just drop a plan on how to go about paying them. So put as much as you can towards the loan so that you can reduce the interest you are paying and you can, finish it up faster. Because the faster you can clear it out, the more you can begin to do other things with your money and begin to make more informed financial decisions. Tip 4 is to invest early and consistently. Thanks to compound interest, the earlier you start investing, no matter how little, the faster your investment grows. So even if you don't have like your dream investment amounts now, whatever you have, $50, $100, invest it. Like just put it into what you believe in: stocks, bonds, ETFs. Invest them and be getting returns on your money. It doesn't even make sense for your money just to sit in a checking account because your money is being swallowed up by inflation. So do well to invest. You can also set up like an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account towards your retirement or your tax-free savings account. Any of them, just begin to invest. If you continually invest, no matter how little, your future self will thank you. And tip 5 is to keep learning. Nobody is born with financial literacy knowledge, so you have to keep learning. Keep reading books, keep watching podcasts, keep following channels like YouTube channels like mine that would help you or just keep you informed about how to be better financially. Just have like a goal to be more informed. Even maximize AI, ChatGPT to your favor. Like type things you want to know about finance in your country and get more information on it. The more you learn, the smarter your decisions. So there you have it, 5 tips that can help you get your finances on track. If you liked this video, please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more. And leave in the comment section which tip really stood out for you. Thanks for watching. Take care of your money so that I can take care of you. See you in the next video.